So, good morning students. I am Professor P.P. Ingade. So, this is the lecture number 2 on the first chapter of new syllabus Physics 12th class of Maharashtra board. And what is the chapter name? Rotational Dynamics. So students, what is we saw yesterday? We saw the definition of rotational dynamics. Then what is we discuss? The definition of circular motion. Then some example of the circular motion, and then one concept is rotational motions, right? So students, today we have to discuss the topic number 1.1. Topic number is 1.1. What is this topic? Write down this heading. Characteristics of circular motion. This is the another topics in a new syllabus. What is the new topic? Characteristics of a circular motions, right? So we know the definition of circular motion. What is the definition? The motion of a particles or body along the circumference of a circle is called as circular motion. And our today's lecture, what is we discuss? We discuss the 1.1 characteristics of circular motion. Means what are the characteristics associated with the circular motion? This topic we have to learn here, right? So what are these characteristics? So see this first characteristics. First is A. It is an accelerated motions. What is the first characteristic of the circular motion? It is an accelerated motion, right? Accelerated motion means what is? The velocity of particles, the velocity of a particles. So velocity of a particle is change. The velocity of a particle is change. The velocity of a particle is change. Means that is what is the meaning? At every instant, the direction of velocity is change. The direction of a velocity is change when the particles performing circular motions. Performing the circular motions. So what is I am write down here, students? What is our first point? Our first point is the characteristics. It is an accelerated motions, right? So acceleration means what is? We know that it is very simple definition. Acceleration means the rate of change of velocity with respect to time. It is called as accelerations. Okay. So in first characteristics, what is I am write down here? The velocity of a particle is change. Velocity of a particle is change means that is what is the meaning? At every instant means at every time. Instant means time within the very short period of a time. So at every instant, the direction of velocity, this is the most important, the direction of velocity is change when the particle performing a circular motion. So this is the first characteristics of circular motion. So I explain diagrammatically. See here, boys. I draw the circle, right? These are the center line of a circular motion. This is the center O. The particle P will be here and how much this distance, this is the radius r of a circles, right? So what is here? In first characteristics, it is an accelerated motion. Accelerated means I explain by this figure. Suppose the figure number 1 is here. Okay. So we have the lot of example of circular motion. We already learned this topic. What are the example? The earth revolving around the sun, the moon revolution around the earth, the electrons revolving around the nucleus, and another example, the tip of the minute hand, hour hand, and second hand of a clock. These are the various examples, and apart from we have another lot of examples. So this particle is performing circular motion is here, okay, on the circle, on the circumference of a circle, because we know that this is the circumference of a circles. So students, suppose let at this position the particle velocity is v. Let at point P, the point P, the velocity of a particles v1. What is the velocity of the particle? v1 at these positions. Suppose the velocity is v1, right? So when the particle performing circular motion, suppose here the particle is performing like that, right? Suppose the particle is released at any points, right? This is the release, this is the linear velocity. We will discuss all these points later. This velocity is what is angular velocity, yes, and this is the linear. So when suppose the particle is released from that position, so this linear velocity is always tangent to the circumference of a circle. You see, these are tangents like that. Suppose the particle is released from this, it is like that. Suppose the particle is released from this position, the tangent is in this way. Suppose the release from this, the tangent is in this way. So every time the linear velocity is tangent to the circumference of a circle, and you observe one thing is there, the direction velocity is changed. Direction of a velocity change. In this position, the direction in this way, this downward, this like that, this like that. So every time the particle change its direction, that's why we call as it is an accelerated motions, boys. Yes or no? Yes. So this is the v1. Suppose the particle release, suppose they perform anti-clockwise direction. The motion is anti-clockwise. So it is released in this way. Suppose the particle will be here. So it is released in this way. This is suppose v2. Suppose the particle is here, the release like that. This is the v3. Suppose the particle here, it is released the velocity v4. So every time the direction of v1, v2 and v3 and v4 is different. So that's why it is an accelerated motions. Got my points? Yes. Now student, second point, I write down here second point, A point, another characteristics, the B, I write down here, the B points. So what is this characteristics? I write down here B. Yeah, just use this definition. So what is the second characteristics of a circular motion? B, write down here. This is the A and this is the B. So it is periodic motions. What is the second characteristic I am write down here? It is a periodic motions. Okay. So what is this periodic motion? I write down here. See here. So during the motion of a particles, repeats repeats along the same path, repeats along the same path with same trajectory, it is called as periodic motions. It is called as periodic motions. Okay, so this point I am write down here. What is the point? It is a periodic motion. So what is periodic motion, boys? During the motion of a particles, means we know that we already draw this diagram and consider the particle P. So this particle P perform the circular motion here. Okay, we consider this example here is also in this, the particle performing a circular motions, right? So during the motion of particles repeats along the same path. This is very IMP statement. What is here? Repeats along the same path with the same trajectory. Means what is here, boys? Every time the particle is move across along the same path, it does not change its path. The path, it should be fixed there. Such type of the motion we call it is a periodic motions, right? So this is the second characteristics of a circular motions, right? So do you got my points? Yes or no? Yes. So this is our 1.1 point of a new syllabus, Maharashtra Board Physics. What is we learn? We learn the 2 point. It is an accelerated motion and it is a periodic motion. So these are the two characteristics of a circular motions. Okay, and we know the all examples. So whatever the example we have for circular motion, so this circular motion we have to consider in a category of periodic motion and it is a category of accelerated motions, right? And every time in periodic, the particle is repeats along the same path with the same trajectory. That's why it is called as a periodic motions. Okay, boys. So I stop here, and our another lecture is 1.2 on a topic of kinematicals equation. This will be learned in next lectures. Okay. So thank you very much.